Hello, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we're going to be talking about a gaming project that I think is going to be performing very well in 2025. And this is going to be Altura. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, taking a look at Altura's website. So they're essentially a Web3 gaming infrastructure project, which means that they're not solely focused in on building one game. Rather, they're providing infrastructure and the tools for different developers to build games on different chains. I believe they're available on 15 plus chains. They have like tens and tens of games available already, and they don't have a lot of listings. We're going to take a look at the CoinMarketCap page in a second, but they also recently integrated some AI into their tech. They have something called smart NFTs. So seamlessly and instantly update NFT attributes with no gas fees. So they're working with NFTs, obviously, and this is very, very undervalued at the moment. And Alex Becker is one of the bigger YouTubers talking about this, and he has been talking about this project since 2021. If we go to Altura's CoinMarketCap page, we can see that the market cap is sitting at $115 million. Over on Patreon, we were getting into this thing at 2 to 3 cents during the bear market. And of course, we are now sitting in good profits. My average, I believe, is around 3.5 cents. And if you consider the fact that we don't have things like KuCoin, we don't have Binance, we don't have Kraken, we don't have Bybit, we don't have OKX, this thing has a lot of potential to pump when those listings are announced. And this could mean that we could have, 3-4 pumps, because maybe these exchanges will list them, in a space of a few weeks or months in between each other. So the market cap on top of that is still very low, $115 million. I believe this could easily get to $1 billion to $1.5 billion market cap. The circulating supply is sitting at 100% of the max or total supply, which is 990 million tokens. And this is really good because this shows that the tokenomics are strong, and we're not going to be having a lot of new tokens dumped into the circulation. If we go to the cryptorank.io and we look at Altura, we can confirm all of this. So 100% of the max supply is out. The market cap is 115 million, with the fully diluted valuation at 115 million as well. We're seeing a move to the upside here. Today's a bullish day for Altura, and we're holding our tokens on Patreon. We haven't sold anything yet. We're going to take a look at the charts in a second, and I'll give you some targets to look into. If we go to their list of games, and I ranked this by top games, you can see they have a big list of games that have been developing or have developed using Altura. So these guys are going to be really, really big. Hopefully the gaming industry develops and grows in the coming years, and by the next cycle, maybe this could be in the top 50 or top 100 altcoins out there. We don't know, but full disclosure, I will be selling all of my Altura at some point in 2025. I'm not planning to keep this forever. And now let's switch over to the price action chart. And before we continue with the video, I want to give a quick shout out to my Patreon. If you're interested in getting more exclusive content, you want to support me as a creator, and you like what you're seeing here on YouTube and you want more, feel free to check out the Patreon. That's definitely a place for you. There's a 7-day free trial, which means you can get access to all of my content since the inception of the page. So that means you get podcasts, low cap gems, technical analysis, project reviews, and a whole bunch of other stuff. We try to do posts there on a daily basis. We cover airdrops and a lot of stuff that we don't really cover on YouTube because we don't have as much time. And of course, because patrons get more stuff and more content. And if you're interested in that, the link is down below in the description. Thank you all. Let's continue on with the video. So this is the weekly chart on Altura, and you can see that we have a ascending yellow resistance trend line that we have been back testing since 2022. We are successfully printing higher highs and higher lows. So this is an uptrend. And the only thing that we need to do is we need to break above the yellow resistance trend line. As soon as we do that, the initial target that I would be looking at is the 1.618 on the smaller Fibonacci. So that is going to be 25 cents, 25 and a half cents. So what we did is we took the bottom from October, and then we took the top from February, March 2024, and the 1.618, the technical target is sitting at 25 cents. The bigger Fibonacci that we have on the chart is from the bear market bottom all the way back from December 2022, and the top here is the November 2021 bull market top, and the 1.272 here is sitting at 83 and a half cents. So if we end up breaking past the all-time high, which is around 30 to 31 cents, we're going to be looking at 83 and a half cents as our minimal target during this bull market. This is not going to even take us to $1 billion market cap. So I would expect a billion to $1.5 billion market cap. This means that $1.40 is also possible for Altura. But of course, you want to manage your expectations. You do not want to be overly bullish for no reason, and you don't want to be setting up super high targets, because if you don't end up selling this cycle before the crash comes around, you're going to be in big trouble, because you're going to be holding all of these bags for the next 2 to 3 years until the next cycle comes around. So you have to be careful in taking your profits. You have to have an exit strategy. And if you'd like to see my exit strategies for a bunch of different projects that I'm holding, feel free to check out my Patreon. If we take a look at the weekly RSI, you can see that the RSI was in the overbought for a bit here, but now that the altcoin market has recovered, we actually came back down, and we're in the purple zone again, below the index of 70, which means that we have cooled off just a little bit. And the 20 EMA here crossed above the 55 EMA, which confirmed the uptrend for us. All we want to do is we want to be holding the 20 EMA as support. That is going to be our bull market support band. As long as we're above the 20 EMA, we should be bullish, and we should be good for continuation. If you look at the 1.618 on the large fib, that is sitting at $2.96. I don't know if that is going to be possible. We're going to take a look at the coin perspective to see what the market cap could be if we got to $2.96. So this is the market cap for Altura, $2.9 billion. If we were to get to a 2.96 price per token, I would be a little more conservative. Yes, this could explode like Axie Infinity. This could explode like Uniswap in the previous cycle. You can never guess which project is going to go parabolic, but if you're willing to risk it and you want to wait until those higher market cap areas are hit, be my guest, you can do that, but I will be securing profits much earlier. So let's say $1.40, that would be a $1.4 billion market cap, because the total supply is around a billion tokens. That's why the price will reflect the market cap pretty much 1-to-1. So $1.4 billion, in my opinion, is a fair market cap to expect from Altura, considering that the gaming sector will be pumping. That is my expectation. That is the expectation from most people, including Alex Becker, who's, again, bullish on this coin. So you want to keep an eye on these coins that Alex Becker and other big YouTubers are talking about and are holding, because they have a higher chance of being profitable. Let me know what are your expectations from Altura. Let me know if you're holding. Let me know what is your average buy-in price. Stay safe, and goodbye.